Here's how we build a power distribution panel at Larson Electronics. The Larson Electronics power distribution panel is designed for reliable, safe, and convenient power distribution at industrial work sites. This 400 amp unit provides 3-phase 480 volt via a main circuit breaker panel. This panel is housed in a heavy-duty enclosure, mounted on an aluminum Switchrack mounting frame, and the unit is powder coated for durability, corrosion resistance, and protection in outdoor sites. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.